Welcome to the video overview of the Tier 1 classroom. My name is Christy Santee, Professor of Special Populations at the University of Houston. I'm a team member of the UH IPAT Model Demonstration Project and want to take a moment to give a shout out to the other team members. The goal of this session is to describe the ways in which teachers can think about organizing active learning in mixed delivery modes in a Tier 1 classroom to improve learning outcomes for all students. The image, titled Welcome to the Ground Floor, Tier 1, provides a visual representation of the levels of instruction teachers can provide in general education for students with dyslexia or related reading difficulties, arranged to illustrate different levels of focus and intensity. Let's break down the concepts conveyed in this image. The wooden door symbolizes the access point to the tiered classroom where everyone is welcome and equitable outcomes begin in reading instruction. There are 4 key characteristics of a Tier 1 intervention classroom. Typically developing addresses the needs of students typically developing in their reading abilities. Specific areas of need are tailored to provide specific support where students may need temporary, targeted instruction. Above proficient includes strategies for students performing above grade level and may require enrichment. Below proficient provides students support who are performing below grade level, ensuring they receive the necessary interventions to improve their reading skills. Whole group instruction is for everyone. This level provides a consistent foundation of literacy skills and strategies to all students, ensuring everyone has access to the same core content. This approach promotes inclusivity and community by allowing students to engage in shared reading experiences, discussions, and activities, which can foster a sense of belonging and collaboration. Whole group instruction also allows teachers to model reading strategies, demonstrate fluency, and introduce new concepts or texts to all students so all students can explore together. By starting with whole group instruction, teachers can set clear expectations and create a cohesive learning environment before moving on to more targeted or individualized interventions based on student-specific needs. Meaning focus is a level that emphasizes the importance of deriving meaning from what they read rather than focusing on decoding words or phonics. This emphasizes teaching strategies such as making predictions, asking questions, summarizing, and connecting the text to prior knowledge. The purpose is to help students engage with the text on a deeper level, fostering a love for reading and improving their ability to interpret and analyze written material. This type of instruction is crucial for developing critical thinking skills and ensuring that students can effectively comprehend and use information from their reading in various contexts and content areas. Next is code-focused instruction for teaching reading, which is essential for helping students develop those foundational skills necessary for decoding words. This approach emphasizes the understanding and application of phonics, phonemic awareness, letter-sound relationships, and word recognition. The primary purpose of code-focused instruction is to equip students with the ability to break down words into their component sounds, blend these sounds together, and recognize common patterns within words. This skill set is crucial for fluent reading and is particularly beneficial for students who struggle with reading difficulties such as dyslexia. By mastering these basic decoding skills, students can read more accurately and effortlessly, enhancing their ability to comprehend and engage with more complex texts. Code-focused instruction serves as a building block that supports all other aspects of reading development. Finally, enrichment. Designed to challenge and extend the abilities of students who have already mastered basic reading skills and are performing above grade level. This helps prevent boredom and disengagement among advanced readers by keeping them motivated and intellectually stimulated. By offering enrichment, teachers can ensure that all students are continually growing and challenged according to their individual abilities and interests. The purpose of enrichment instruction is to provide these students with opportunities to delve deeper into text, explore advanced concepts, and engage in higher order thinking activities. This type of instruction can include analyzing complex literature, conducting research projects, and participating in discussions that require critical thinking and interpretation. Enrichment activities foster a love for reading by allowing students to pursue their interest and explore topics in greater depth. The implications for educators based on the Tier 1 classroom model are significant. This tiered approach enables teachers to differentiate instruction effectively, ensuring that all students receive appropriate support regardless of their reading abilities. By providing a consistent foundation throughout whole group instruction and gradually increasing the focus and intensity of small group instruction, educators can address the diverse needs of their students. Meaning-focused and code-focused instruction are crucial for developing comprehension and decoding skills, while enrichment activities keep advanced readers engaged and challenged. This model also emphasizes continuous monitoring of student progress, allowing the teachers to adjust their methods and interventions based on the data, fostering an inclusive and supporting learning environment overall. So in closing, the Welcome to the Ground Floor, Tier 1, image illustrates a tiered approach to reading instruction in a general education classroom. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you.